Under construction, Delphi 6 Web Services, SOAP. Web services is very much the buzz phrase of today. Here Bob Swart shows how to use the new SOAP capabilities of Delphi 6 to create your very own web services as easy as pie. When I wrote last month, Delphi 6 had just been announced but was not yet available. Delphi 6 has now been available for a short while, and I've been playing with my copy of Delphi 6 Enterprise, especially with the new SOAP support, which is most notably featured in the new functionality called Web Services. Another topic that's hot on my list to cover is WebSnap, the second enhancement to WebBroker. The first enhancement was Internet Express, which seems to have been left on a side track this time. WebSnap is new, but not very well documented, to be honest. It combines lots and lots of possibilities with a significant learning curve, so I want to do some more exploration of WebSnap and start my multi-part coverage of this featureset next month in these pages. For now, let's talk web services and start to use SOAP. Click here for the full article.